Welcome student, chemistry material sir, episode number 10, surface chemistry. लास्ट पीरियड में हमने देखा था एड्जॉर्प्शन एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन. इस एपिसोड में हम देखेंगे कैटालिसिस, हाउ टू यूज एड्जॉर्प्शन इन कैटालिसिस. तो बिफोर प्रपोज दिस थिंग्स वी जस्ट फोकस ऑन व्हाट इज द कैटालिसिस. कैटालिसिस क्या है? So normally we will find that some foreign substances are added in reaction, then the acceleration rate of reaction increases. In other words, you can say that the rate of reaction की जो speed है, जो motion है, ये speed increase हो जाती है due to presence of these foreign particles, foreign molecules or foreign substances, and that substances are known as a catalyst. First time scientist Berzelius find this type of substance and he gave the name that is called catalyst. तो साइंटिस्ट Berzelius ने फर्स्ट टाइम ये कैटालिस्ट वर्ड इंट्रोड्यूस किया फॉर पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन. एज फॉर एग्जांपल वी विल फाइंड दैट KClO3. Suppose we will take that potassium chlorate KClO3 का डीकम्पोज करना है, दैट इज इन KCl plus O2. KCl plus O2 you will multiply with the 3 here, then you will find 3 KCl and 3 O2 will decompose. That reaction takes place at the very high temperature. You will find that is up to 653 to 893, 653 Kelvin to 893 Kelvin, and very slowly that reaction occurs. Means इतना टेम्परेचर देने के बाद भी this reaction occurs and if gets equilibrium state either in 20 to 60 or 20 to 80 या 60 to 40% completion at the time of equilibrium, that you will find that it's take a much time up to 12 hours से लेके 18 hours तक का टाइम इतने हाई टेम्परेचर पर ले रहा था. लेकिन उसने एक कैटालिस्ट प्रपोज किया. दिस रिएक्शन ऑल्सो अकर इन अदर वे. एक दूसरा रास्ता उसने अपनाया जिसमें उसने एक फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स लिया, दैट इज MnO2, मैंगनीज डाइऑक्साइड. व्हेनेवर वी एक्सप्रेस कैटालिस्ट इन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, अगर on the arrow you can express, that is considered as catalyst. जब भी आप कैटालिस्ट लिख रहे हो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में एक्सप्रेस करो, तो यू टीचर्स विल कंसीडर कि आप उसको एज ए कैटालिस्ट रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हो. तो दैट इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ MnO2 he just find that temperature reduce up to 473 Kelvin to that 633 Kelvin तक टेम्परेचर रिड्यूस हो गया. यू विल फाइंड दैट कि कितना डिक्रीज आया टेम्परेचर में, एंड रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इंक्रीजेस, एक्सेलरेट अप टू 2 आवर टू 4 आवर. खाली जो रिएक्शन 8 to 18 आवर्स में कंप्लीट हो रहा था, दैट इज बिकम्स रैपिड और फास्ट और एक्सेलरेट, or rate of reaction increases, that in very high proportion you will find that other condition will be same. The KClO3 decomposition reaction, decomposition of potassium chlorate without catalyst, 653 Kelvin temperature to 8 temperature पर very slowly, and it decompose in KCl solid and 3O2 gaseous. You will find that, and in presence of some foreign particle like MnO2, foreign substances, you will consider that in presence of MnO2 temperature reduce up to 473 Kelvin to 633 Kelvin, and its rate of reaction is accelerate up to high extent. It will complete 2 hours to 4 hours, or in still reduced time is there in presence of this foreign substances. And Berzelius, scientist Berzelius, first time proposed that, I think in exactly the 1835, this type of foreign substances is known as the catalyst. So first time catalyst word used by scientist Berzelius, and according to Berzelius, that in presence of this type of substances, a rate becomes accelerated, rate of chemical reaction, and this type of substances are known as a catalyst. And with the help of catalyst, rate of chemical reaction increases. This phenomenon is known as catalysis. So what is catalysis? Catalysis is the increased rate of chemical reaction in presence of some substances which do not actively take part in reaction, but its presence is necessary. In presence of this type of substances, the rate of reaction or chemical rate of reaction increases due to energy of activation increases. That terms you will find in chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics में आपको पता चलेगा कि in presence of catalysis how rate of reaction increases due to decrease the energy of activation, and then accelerate and reaction becomes fast. So what is catalysis? That you understood, and this catalysis is depending on the rate of adsorption. Normally you will find that a reactant molecules are adsorbed on the surface of catalyst, and then reaction occurs, and that's why energy of activation is decreases. That is old mechanism as well as new mechanism, and combination of both of mechanism. In modern chemistry they are given the mechanism of adsorption catalysis. That we will study later on, but here you will very well know about what is the catalysis and how it's occur. That we will catalysis. Before propose the types of catalysis, one more thing I want to share with you, that catalyst does not take part in reaction, but its presence is necessary. Means कैटालिस्ट एक्टिवली पार्ट नहीं करता, उसके मास में कोई चेंज नहीं होता, उसके स्ट्रक्चर में, उसके कंस्टिट्यूएंट, कंप्लीशन ऑफ रिएक्शन इट विल गेट बैक एज अ ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. मींस जैसे हमने लिया था वैसे ही फॉर्म में वो वापस मिल रहा है. तो यू कैन फाइंड दैट डज नॉट चेंज विद द मास ऑफ कैटालिस्ट एंड composition or constituent, its structure will remains as it is or continues. That is the thing, that catalyst is the foreign particle which does not actively take part in reaction, and it will get back again with the same mass, with the same percentage composition, or its constituent particle, its structure cannot change. That you understood. One more thing with the catalysis we will discuss, that promoters. What is the promoters? We will find that the promoters, before the proposed promoter, one more thing we will find, the catalytic poison. So we will compare this both promoters as well as catalytic poison. So what is the promoters? Some substances, molecules, particles which are actively take parts with the reaction with catalysis. Means they are active their surface of catalysis. वो catalyst के surface को more reactive बनाते हैं. जैसे कि molybdenum, we will take a molybdenum as a promoters during Haber process. Normally you find that N2 gaseous react with 3H2 gaseous, then you will obtain twice NH3 gaseous. That is the production of ammonia. You know that that is the reversible reaction. If this reaction takes place without catalyst, it takes a huge time and very small proportion of ammonia will produce. Now you will find that in presence of iron powder, finely particles of iron powder we will take as catalyst, then rate of reaction increases or accelerate. Now with the Fe, if you take small amount of molybdenum, you will make with the slash molybdenum, that is also a type of metal. You will take with the fine particle mixed with molybdenum, that it helps, it makes actively take part in reaction. It is not combined with the molecules of reactant, but it arrange the molecule. How it will arrange, that we find in the particular mechanism of adsorption. But molybdenum ये दोनों रिएक्टेंट को साइमल्टेनियसली वन बाय वन, जैसे एक पर N2 एड्सॉर्ब हो रहा है तो दूसरे पर H2, एक यू विल फाइंड दैट ये 3 डिफरेंट साइट्स है. You will consider that is the active site on which that यहाँ पर अगर डाइनाइट्रोजन एड्सॉर्ब हो रहा है तो यहाँ पर डाइहाइड्रोजन को एड्सॉर्ब करेगा. एंड यू विल फाइंड दैट द van der Waals attraction force से अगर ये लोग एड्सॉर्ब हुए हैं, then it becomes comes to nearer and activation energy decreases, and in that case you will find that H single bond H, H single bond H, H single bond H, you will find that as H2 molecule, and N triple bond N, N2 molecule is diffuse or it's adsorbed on the surface of this Fe particle, and 1:3 proportion में उसको अरेंज करने का काम ये molybdenum करता है. तो some substances becomes help to catalyst to make increase the rate of reaction, or in other words you can say that the activity of catalyst is increases in presence of some substances or molecules or atoms, or you consider that elements. This type of particles, substances, compound, elements, metals, non-metals are known as promoters. Promoters means it promotes catalyst to increase the rate of reaction. Normally Fe के साथ जो रेट इंक्रीज होता है और Fe एंड molybdenum दोनों पार्टिकल के साथ रेट इंक्रीज होता है, उसमें भी काफी डिफरेंस होता है. मींस molybdenum helps the catalyst as well as reactant that how can adsorb in the definite proportion on the surface of catalyst, and then rate of reaction increases in more proportion. You see, it is a accelerate in high proportion, and that is considered as promoter. Promoter is catalysis, it is a catalyst of catalyst. तो आप promoter को इस तरीके से define कर सकते हो कि promoters are the substance which active catalyst and catalysts are active reactant molecules, and that's why you will consider that promoters are catalyst of catalyst. That you understood what is the promoters. Some impurities like copper, अगर Fe में molybdenum की जगह कॉपर की impurity है तो it decrease the activity of catalyst. वो कैटालिटिक एक्टिविटी को डिक्रीज करता है. रैंडमली हेफेजाइटली जो भी रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल है उसको अरेंज करता है. इन दैट केस रेट प्रॉपर्ली इंक्रीज नहीं हो पाता. समटाइम्स रेट बिकम्स डिक्रीजेस, नॉट प्रॉपर्ली एक्सेलरेट और इंक्रीजेस. तो दैट टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस, एलिमेंट, मॉलिक्यूल, पार्टिकल्स we will consider as catalytic poison. So what is the catalytic poison? The substances which are decrease the rate of reaction in presence of catalyst also, these are catalytic poison. And some substances are increase the rate of reaction with the help of you know that particular catalyst is called promoters. So how can you differentiate what is promoters as well as what is catalytic poison? That things I remember according to your book, and that you make concentrate here that the substances which accelerate the rate of a chemical reaction and themselves remain chemically and quantitatively unchanged after the completion of reaction are called catalyst. This is the foreign particles. Before proposed the catalyst word, scientist Berzelius. Now what is promoters? The substances that enhance the activity of catalyst is called promoters. In other hand, you can say that it is a catalyst of catalyst. Third thing, that catalytic poisons substance that decrease the activity of catalyst, and that's why the properly rate of reaction cannot increases with the help of catalysis. You can say that is the catalytic poison. So what is the catalyst? What is the catalytic promoters? What is the catalytic poison? And this is to help with the help of catalyst, rate of chemical reaction accelerate or increases. The phenomenon is known as catalysis. So what is the catalysis, that you understood? Now about the proper thing, that is the different types of catalysis in next episode. Okay.